Hello. I understood the vibe at the Kerala Hatter. They see Paraboli. Did you eat anything? Anything this Kerala banana that you know? I have so many plans actually. I wanted to bring you here so many dishes that you never ate. And they're like, why are you going behind? What are the dramas doing? Nothing is going to get. I know that how Manmohan Singh has been. I misunderstood that this is not BJP. It's you people contest also because yesterday I mailed that to blog. So immediately certain plan because your master plan was 26, 27. You declared with Bapu Ambedkar. You were मोटी कितना प्लान था इसलिए सी आशाना विद्या पढ़ to whom you are playing Shiva ka bete Shiva that's the thing and that's the reason who suddenly killed immediately when Mohan Singh collapsed and last time you called that crack of Madhavan Mano Mohan yeah നമ്മൾ കഞ്ഞു മാധവനെ so then when I called asked where are you so you also chat in aims section the aims doctors immediate emergency so the collapsing and suddenly going Pringa went and declared and invited everything by the time what prepared all the message everything and all the entire team was ready with the achievements to contradict about Modi not even a single person is sincere or committed or truthful to anybody. All are fake. I understood that your mom is your mom. That you will kill my mother. So she's a truthful quality. Even if you are killing her, I don't care. I don't mind. See, when I said I have done what are the karmas I have to do, I have done everything to everybody. And I left everybody, and after that, I came. So now the entire India's children is the younger generation is my children, it's my family. Okay, that's the thing. What? No. What was that motive? What? Vasudeva Kudumbakam. That's it. Modi Shetty see, why people are going to offer that Nadish Kumar and going behind this kind of culture of frauds with the Bharat and there is no need for people to get over even a single that much you don't need to get over. The one public speech is enough to finish BJP and Modi. When the BJP and the Congress, not even single fellows will be able to open what? Come outside, that's the thing. That much I am capable, powerful, and that much is the way how to present things. But the thing with whom I should be. But I am not. I will be always neutral. I will not. What are the things both the parties are doing, I will disclose it. This is what I wanted. Third new alliance, the United Democratic Scientific Alliance. For Rahulji, see, that's what I was telling that. Let Priyanka ji go. You step out. The engineer da punaka vai kendra kana kanta valu mari kanta vekkide vekkide kaasa po vekkide nee endi etra kodda nee പിന്നെ എസ്പെഷ്യലി മലയാളികൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പോരെന്ന് അറിയിച്ചിട്ട് ലെവലതിൽ നീയൊക്കെ എത്ര ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിരുന്നു നീയൊക്കെ അവർ ചൽമാൻ കുറിച്ചിട്ട് കുറേ അച്ചകമില്ലാത്ത കുറേ ദില്ലു ചേച്ചി ഇങ്ങ് കൊണ്ടവൻ്റെ ഒക്കെ പോരെന്ന് അറിയിച്ചിട്ട് ദാറ്റ്സ് അത് രാജമണി പട്ടേലോത്സവത്തിന് വാട്ട് ഇഫ് ദേ ആർ കമ്മിങ് ആൻഡ് കില്ലിങ് യു ഓൺ ദ പാത്ത് വേറെ പുല്ലുകളൊക്കെയാണ് നിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ എല്ലാ നാടുകളിലും കയറണം പുല്ല് നീയൊക്കെ നെഹ്റു മുതൽ നെഹ്റു ഇന്ദിര മറ്റേ സച്ചിൻ റാവു അതുകൊണ്ട് സച്ചിൻ പൈലറ്റ് സച്ചിൻ പൈലറ്റ് രാജേഷ് പൈലറ്റ് മാധവറാവു ഷിൻഡിയ പിന്നെ എത്ര പേരെ നീയൊക്കെ കൊന്നുണ്ടാക്കി അതിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ എല്ലാത്തിൻ്റെയും കളി ഉഗ്രത്തണ്ടപമടാ how the nature is responding just immediately the rain and the cow the things what. See, you should understand that Sunday night I went to that Ganapati Puja and so you were waiting there before going for sucking that so the great two decision makers. At that I went and at that I purchased this thing. Nice, that's the thing. At that I thought, okay, I still remember when you went to they have taken you to Kedarnath. At that also I went to the Sarojini market. So at that I thought they from the market at that I came to know that. I thought of coming to Kedarnath, but I thought that helicopter price and I cannot give that. Saturday also, I am see every weekend I used to go to the Sarojini market. Every time these fellows are taking you to the country, I will end up in this market like this only. But still, see, I am happy because I wanted to do so many things. I am understanding, learning their problems, and I am on my path. And you don't see this Manmohan Singh. I will ജസ്റ്റ് വെയിറ്റ്. നിൻ്റെ ഇത്രയും കളികളൊക്കെ ചിലപ്പോൾ വാട്ട് ആർ ദ പ്രൊപ്പഗേഷൻസ്. സി ഫ്രം ദ പാസ്റ്റ് 1 year I was contacting this way. I contacted this Mohan to Manmohan. I was requesting him to talk to Manmohan ji so that Sonia ji and Rahul ji can come over there and we can talk. So you are propagating the leaders only blocking, right? So but even Narana is going to tell that his appointment is he will fixing, and who is blocking you? And നിൻ്റെ നാടൊക്കെ മനസ്സിലായിട്ട് കാരണം അറിയിച്ചിട്ട് നീ ഏത് ആഫ്റ്റർ ഓൾ നീ അന്റോണിയോ മൈന എന്ന് പറയുന്ന who is not knowing who is her father, that kind of a lady's son. കേട്ടല്ലോ, that's it. So that it is proven. കേട്ടോ ഈ പ്രിയൊക്കെ നിൻ്റെ നാടകരെ കളിതിനൊക്കെ നിന്നെ I don't understand why Modi Amit Shah is hesitating. This Robert Padra kind of a culture party Spanish bastard just hata throw them. I will not block. Okay, this kind of culture of frauds. But why am blocking now? On the other hand, what if people are doing? Is Pushpa going to faint to run party? This is what is Pushpa's. You fellows also utilizing and throwing a dot. See, I will get minimum 5 billion compensation. That I know. Antari, Ambani, everybody. How much crowds people have distributed spoil out of madness. Culture of fellows. See, Professor, you should know that you do not know what you have blocked. What was my passion? What was I was working on? So that my research, that my lost my that pace. That's the thing. That's the reason I'm fighting this much. And whatever the thing you know. So see this chai you should drink. This is not Kerala chai. In Delhi here only this shop you will get. This is standard. Kerala the chai will be like this. Every time I used to think that I used to have to bring you here, and what are the things, and then wait, I will take a Parambari also. This is Parambari. Kerala and then I said, then we can order from that Kerala house also, from here also. And then what are the plan I was saying? Even you are going to that Maratha Karata, like a Pranika, that cut up terrible Veshi, that's what you lost that. To understand what is good Charavada Kalakala and the Parada. Say, really, guys, sort of Gaviamatana, they like a Batana. This is the street prostitution college. It is a Koran that Jalmango, the Mega take a Parana party. Right. Who are all the disease? Who are the other Kachaga without the correct? Granda Mari. And then they get a Kavila shadows of the Paulus. Shut up for so he started what are the news? Even though the children came out from the NB Alliance and formed the government, Maharashtra government, what are the women? What are they? You got to go on the beach, Kumar, and the Marina chapter to go. No, baby, there is no point in getting. There is no shortcut. See, what is your problem? I was telling the truth only we can get done. No, but you don't want to do. Obama and India's, okay? I know that. How you people, when I told that to screw up Melody, immediately Marpapa called and screw up that. That's why Trump and Elon Musk came to. When did he tell it to what are the laws of place and Sonia? Antonio Moyne, you are sure, don't dream so much, okay? I don't listen, it's all Kachana, sir. Barking me. And Professor Freud need to understand it. They got angry. 4 days back, I went into Sanskrit and that Yuvakubade, that Kachra fraud. I was using his tablet for typing the mail, and then that bastard has stolen my pen drive also. You only screwed up. Actually, I used to get always confused that fellows are being controlled by you or whether it's Abhishek's lobby, because that Professor Ram Subramani is that Abhishek's and their lobby only. Through that control, because through that Professor Ram Subramani only the Sanskrit University cracks up involved. The Charapot and the Abhishek and the audience and the Kathara pulled the Cheta Shigandi, Nalanga, Patagini, Tala, what is her name? Chowdrika Charavata. My family, I know I understood that new fellows should kill my mother and Charavata. See, Rahul Gandhi, make it clear. Whatever the thing place you people will do, you are Priyanka never will become the Prime Minister of India. Not only you are Priyanka, none of the Congress and Reliance leaders. See how they propagated. They made you people to. They screwed up. I know that Ajay Makan will declare that how Kejriwal Congress has been thrown out from like that. And see what are the place these fellows are. See Modi initiative. You people also not going to success. These fellows also. See the third. See you people will be failed means there is a third alliance. Okay. And so there is no point of getting excited and see the power is with me, the blessings are with me, all the universe assignment is with me. Hard work is mine. So how come you people are smart to players? That is not going to work, right? So how the universe reaction, how immediately earthquake and the tsunami. Just understand the climate changes and 26 onwards Tandav. Oh, this all thing is predefined. That's what people have calculated. 26th itself has to kill Manmohan Singh, and everything is. Now, actually, January 26th, they might have fixed for your marriage, right? So that's what till January 26th, this the entire India, they will protest. And then I can down at a cut out, I can all John kind of conduct work with the parata, cheta, in house there for separate and cleaning somebody very get married to that Charapat in the end with the they will Charakanda shoots in wage, but I can't hotel wager, they call it quality. Okay. The class quality, culture, born, blood. Gene, this and all, precious. It's okay? Bye. So my chai is about to finish. Awesome. Parabadi. Aha. Okay, bye.